Hello, namaste, vanakkam, namaskara. How are you all doing? Doing good? आप सब कैसे हो? நல்லா இருக்கீங்களா? Flashing beautiful smiles on your face, right? Yes. This is Flying Skies One. Welcomes you all to watch pretty good videos and offers. But today, I'm a bit saddened to speak of the bad news that came from Shopee, the online shopping store. It has given notice of closure to all the Shopee users, saying that we regret to inform you that the Shopee India platform will be ceasing its operations with the effect from 29th March 12 a.m. According to the Indian Standard Time. So if at all you have made any orders before this date, they will be served. If at all you have any queries or help, you can go for support. I'll be giving you the mail ID in the description box. Thank you, Shopee, for giving us all the budget deals, though there were billions of sales that are on swing, but then we don't know the reason why the operations are getting closed from India. But thanks a lot for showing your love and care towards customers. And I have to say, we miss you. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. Flying Skies One. If you've got any doubts, ask me in the comment section. And keep smiling.